So students, let's begin with a very basic and kind of obvious question that almost all of you will be able to answer, and that is, how do we see? Okay, so whenever we talk about watching things, seeing anything, looking around us, there is one necessity that we feel, and that is light. Whenever you are walking into a dark room, the first thing that you do is switching on lights. So whenever there is light around you, you will be able to see things, you will be able to look around, and whenever there is no light, the light switches are off, you will not be able to see things. Let's take a very bright example, that is sun. Sun is something which is having its own light, and you are able to see that, and that is considered also to be the ultimate source of energy. Because of sun, there are many organisms, there are plants which are surviving and which are cooking their food by themselves and the stuff. So there are many organisms which are dependent for energy on the sun, because it emits its own light. Similarly, you too will also be able to see that we are able to see sun and dependent on sun for various reasons. But what about the things which are not having their own light? You do not emit your own light, I do not have my own light, but there is something that I have around me because of which you are able to see things. You are able to see me, you are able to see this board and everything that I'll be writing, and that is light. Alright, so it's quite acceptable for the things which can emit their own light, they can be seen. But what about the things which do not emit their light, yet they can be seen? So they can be seen because they reflect the light received by the things which are luminous, the things which are having their own light. Alright? Okay, fine. So, the second thing which is required for us to see things. Light isn't enough for us to see things. There is one more thing which is of utmost importance and is required. What is that? That is our eyes. Without of eyes, you will not be able to see things, and light won't be of any use. So what did we study till now is that you need two things to see. First thing is light, and second thing is your eyes. If you have your eyes and light, you can do the job of watching and seeing things around you. So what did we study till now? Let's recapitulate in a nutshell. The question that we tried to answer was, how do we see things? We are able to see when there is light around us, and you won't be able to see things when there is no light around you.